Let's start with the upper SI joints. Any pain, discomfort, tension here?
No.
Left, right, which one more?
They're both about even, I think, honestly.
Okay, lower SI, right, left.
Right.
Right. All right, let's see what the muscles have to say here. Yeah, a little bit more tension.
I was going to say it's my right.
Okay, we got a little bit of tension, right? That's some partly glute, maybe some IT band stuff over there. Otherwise, that feels good. Piriformis is okay. A little bit right there, right?
I said a little bit right there, right? You know.